There's Alexis. Alexis, say hi. There's Janine. There's Paloma. And I'm gonna put this on YouTube because I'm actually inside this car, and it's that color. Dude, like, I'm never gonna forget this, and no one's gonna believe me either. Outside of the car. I'm not putting. Look, girl. I know. The inside of the car.
Okay, that's enough. Jasmine.
No, I still have like 30 more seconds
No,
left.
Jasmine! Stop! You're gay! You're gay!
No! Hey, quinceañera, you're gay. I did. Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
You're not serious, it's right here. That's what
She said.